Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to enable or disable automatic date and time on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you only have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In settings, scroll down and go to general management. Okay, tap this. In general management, you can see the date and time. Okay, go to date and time. In date and time, you can see the automatic date and time. And on the right side, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, you'll have to do to enable the automatic date and time is switch on the switch button on the right side. And that's it. We have successfully enabled the automatic date and time. And if this turn on, use the date and time provided by your network. And okay guys, to disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled or disabled automatic date and time on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.